value testing. Any object can be tested for truth value for use in an if or while condition or as operand of the Boolean operations below. By default, an object is considered true unless its class defines either a underscore underscore bool underscore underscore method that returns false or a underscore underscore length underscore underscore function method that returns 0 when called within the object. Here are most of the built-in objects considered false. Constants defined to be false, none and false. 0 of any numeric type 0, 0.0, 0j, decimal 0, fraction 0, 1, empty sequences and collections, empty string, empty blank list, parenthesis blank list, tuple, dictionary blank, set blank, range 0. Operations and built-in functions that have a boolean results always return 0 or false for false and 1 or true for true unless otherwise stated. Important exception: the boolean operations or and and always return one of their operands. So let's open one file, and here let's type. So if I type a is equal to empty string, if a is equal to if a, print true, else print false. Let me run program. It's false because it's an empty string. None, it's returned false. For example, range 0, it's false. And if I say 1, this will return true, or 2, this will return true. If I say range, so empty list, this will return false, and having some elements, it will return true. Empty set, this will return dictionary, this will return false if it has a value a, apple. Okay, this will return true. Set, empty set, this will return false, and if having one element at least, it will return len. Okay, range we already saw. Any 0 value, for example 0, this will return false. Any non-zero value will return true. 1.0, this will return true, and 0.0, this will return false. Decimal 0, decimal 0, import decimal. Okay. Example of decimal we will see later, but basically none and false we can assign false even, and this will return false. Thank you.